Hello everyone, Mar here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to move the search bar on your Safari to the top of your screen. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video if this helps you out. The first thing we're going to do is go to settings. Once you open up settings, we're going to scroll down and we're going to select apps. Under apps, simply go ahead and find Safari. Then you're going to search for Safari and we're going to open it up. Now go and scroll down a little bit more, and here is where you can select where you want your tabs to appear. So you can select at the top, and now if we go back to our Safari, as you can see, we have it right here. The search bar is going to be at the top, and now you can search for, let's say, google.com, and it looks a bit more nice than having it at the bottom. And that's it, you guys. I hope this video helped you, and if you have any questions, don't forget to comment down below. Bye-bye.